Hello everyone. So yesterday we discussed about the nestic movements. That what are nestic movements? Yes, nestic movements, that is the movement of a plant part in response to an external stimulus in which the direction of response is not determined by the direction of stimulus. Okay. Now next is the types of the nestic movements. So two types are there, that is photonesty and the thigmonesty. From the name also you will come to know that the photonesty means here the stimulus, that is light, and in the thigmonesty, that is touch. Most of the students, they remain confused in between thigmotropism and thigmonesty. Okay, because both of them, they are related with the touch stimulus, but no, they are different, because thigmonesty, this is not a growth movement, and thigmotropism, that is a growth movement. Okay, and in the phototropism, that is related with the bending of the stem towards the light, and photonesty, it deals with the folding and the closing of the petals in the presence of light or in the absence of light. Okay, now let's discuss the photonesty. What is photonesty? Photonesty means that the non-directional movement of a plant part, usually the petals of flowers, in response to light. Okay, means the opening and the closing of the petals in response to light is called the photonesty. Now there are some flowers in that the opening of the petals in the morning and the evening, that is different. Like in case of the dandelion flowers. Okay, in case of the dandelion flowers, the petals, they opens up in the morning when bright light that is present, and in the evening when the light fades, at that time they close. Okay, and the petals of moonflower, they close in the morning, and in the bright light they open, in the morning they close, and in the dark they open up. Okay, so there is different, means opposite effect, opposite response. Okay, means here in this case, in the bright light they open up dandelion flowers, and in the moonflower, in the dark, the petals they open. As we discussed during the differences, when we have done the differences between tropic movement and the nestic movement, that tropic movement, it is a growth movement, it is always a growth movement, but nestic movements, they may be growth movement or they may be growth independent movements. So as there are two types in case of the nestic movement, that is first is photonesty and the second, that is thigmonesty. So photonesty, they are the growth movements, and the thigmonesty, that are growth independent movement. It means that photonesty means the opening and the closing of the petals, it occurs because of the growth movement. Let's discuss that when the petals open, okay, then their inner surface, they grow more as compared to the outer surface. So that's why they used to open. And petals close means when their outer surface grows more than their inner surface. So this is also photonesty, it is also a growth movement. Okay,